Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make alliance donations in Last Z Survival Shooter. To make donations in Last Z Survival Shooter, start by joining or entering your alliance. Once inside, head over to the Alliance Tech section. This is where you choose which technology you want to support. You'll see two types of donation options. On the right, you can donate using Zen up to 20 times per day. This method is limited but cost effective. On the left, you can donate without limits, but each donation will cost more as you go. Regardless of the tech you choose, whether it's stack management or any other upgrade, the donation limit using Sand applies across all categories. So if you hit your 20 daily donations in one section, it will count for the others too. The unlimited option resets over time, making it great for heavy contributors. And that's how you donate and help your alliance grow and last the survival shooter. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.